So I certainly think that some subjects are valued over others, and I think part of it is rooted in people that do research. They're thinking about what evidence is valued. That traditionally there are certain types of knowledge coming out of the Enlightenment using logic and reasoning to make a hypothesis and then collect data, and it seems very formulaic. But all of those that scientific method that is the bedrock of Western civilization and knowledge construction is based upon the bias of the person that's doing the research. And so I think if you take into consideration multiple forms of intelligence as well as valuing different types of evidence, that you can gain a deeper perspective about how we can approach knowledge. Oftentimes in class I draw math on one side and art on the other side, and all of those can help you approach truth. It's about what is the question that you're trying to answer. And I think a lot of times we like the hard sciences because they tend to give us a more accurate truth, that it's clearly defined and other people can reenact the same study and come to the same conclusion. But I mean, if you're trying to understand I don't know, human emotion or something, it's hard to replicate, what Mr. Druin was thinking on this day. That doesn't mean that it's not a truth and that it's not valuable, but it's harder to replicate, and therefore it seems like it's less valuable because it's harder to do. And I think this arts type of knowledge requires a more empathic knowledge, a more empathic way of approaching truth, and people like things to be more concrete, at least traditionally, in the male-dominated educational systems.